WWE, baby.
Yeah, welcome to it. You're still tuning in to Timeline Radio Sport, and this is the part 2 of episode 21. So, we're good against. Hi, namhlanje. Masiqhubeka. So we also have the Morocco national team coach exit, despite the good records. Ne? So Morocco national football team head coach Willard is reportedly leaving with immediate effect despite a strong record of 36 wins, 8 draws and 5 defeats. Such numbers suggest success, making the decision surprising. So do you think the decision was fair considering the record Coach Awalethile into the team?
Another man's food, it's another man's poison. So when I big records with success, to fail. I think any leader to that it was of course. So if you did not bring any results, then it goes back to the end of the but if you did not achieve anything in that particular tournament or then still you are fine. So for me, I feel I figure okay, so starter was big a lot, then you failed. So if you failed, then you have to go. So I'm going with you to have a reason.
Yeah.
North Africans don't waste time. From club football, if you don't deliver what has been set out for you, you gone. And you check Morocco where Bebe holds still. And now if you check Ama results, they always favored. They were biased towards Morocco during AFCON. And you still fail to deliver the trophy. Go team, maybe from the management side, they did everything possible was possible in the AFCON, and you still fail to deliver it. So I think it didn't sit down well now. After all the news that they have made, AFCON Isan as hosts, he still didn't deliver on that promise. So I think it was a matter of you failed to give us what we wanted, so let's part our ways.
Okay.
Bengafuna comment
Thula.
because uyazi ukuthi ngizonda kanjani iMorocco to football. So mina nje anything negative lapha ngihappy. Anything negative ngihappy. Yeah.
Okay. So okay, do national teams sometimes make emotional decisions like after big tournaments such as this one, because we're going to comment about the AFCON because of Mebanga winanga the AFCON. So do you think it's a good thing for like the team, the national team or the King Association? I don't know who or in charge for the national team. Yeah. So do you think it's a good thing for them to take such decision after like big tournaments? For example, if I could bring it here, we all know ukuthi South Africa iya World Cup ni, but masibheka indlela singakhona siyazi ukuthi angeke mhlawumbe sifike even sidlule kuma group stages. So do you think Hugo Bruce after that thing athi he's not a good coach because of akasaswinelanga World Cup, but we saw ukuthi vele indlela besihamba ngayo bengapromise ukuthi sofika lapha.
Then besiyaphi?
Oh wow.
Yeah. For me, I think we national team, let's come which guys Lapayana. Okay, I once said that's the easiest job. So for me now, then it's a problem on its own. Since example, because example, what you AFCON Sundowns, AFCON Pirates. So you make it easy because of every Sundowns it does not consider goalkeeper is South African, defender South African, and then why not check that those 4 people the one go Pirates, one go Swelele, all almost the similar philosophy. If Pirates then you take Pirates, you find then yiyo kuphela into efuneka lapho. So bese amaqoqo uzohluleka bese siphinde silokhu sithi siyakubeka and laba nabo bakhona 16 teams eSouth Africa kuphela. Asikhulumi nomhlaba wonke na only 16 teams eSouth Africa. So then how many players okumele ukhethe kuwo lapho? So if uhlulekile for mina kumele uhambe mfethu ungaloku ubhizi usimoshela isikhathi lokuthathana ama-million eziyahola izinto lezi. So ayabavali.
So like stats asisebenzi kusebenza you bringing in the trophies in for the team.
Angeke sisebenze i-stats. I-stats asikuneli next at the end of the day.
So the national teams are hlukile compared to local teams because angithi besikhuluma nge-Sundowns last ngome i-stats the-Sundowns ukuthi like Sundowns is the best team, but when it comes to national teams stats asisebenzi now.
But yabona i Moroccan team, I think the last game they lost before bazo dlewa la kule AFCON was against Bafana Bafana. So you check in between, I think it's a 2-year gap. They never lost a game in that 2 years until Bafika la kule AFCON.
Yeah.
So the coach was doing well, but I don't think it's a matter of Oguti. A team was not performing. It's a matter of which you didn't deliver on your promise. Because if you check, he's been there for I think 4 years as the national team coach. So I think they had set targets of which when it's our turn to host, we need to win AFCON.
Yeah.
So you failed to deliver the AFCON. It's not a matter of which he was a bad coach or the national team was not doing well. I think it's a matter of which Bona I'll deliver this by the time he hosts the AFCON, and he failed to do that. And no, once you fail to deliver on what you promised, then I don't think there's a way going forward. It was not a matter of what a team was performing badly or anything.
Yeah.
It's a matter of what you promised us you deliver the AFCON and you failed. So let's try someone else moving forward. What maybe he can do better. Go World Cup.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Bongani, I don't know what sizoyenza kanjani because bongafuna ukomenta ngeMorocco because you hate, and now we're moving on to Kaizer Chiefs and you're no longer a supporter. Like angazi ukuthi sizoyenza kanjani. But moving on, on our next topic we have Benny McCarthy interested in coaching Kaizer Chiefs. South African football legend Benny McCarthy has reportedly shown interest in coaching Kaizer Chiefs after gaining experience abroad with the national teams. McCarthy could bring a fresh tactical perspective. So with the whole thing going on, would McCarthy be the right man to rebuild Kaizer Chiefs in Njengalanje?
No. But I think you're talking about one of my favorite coaches.
Yeah.
When it comes to Ben McCarthy, as a player, actually, then as a coach also, I've seen a lot of actually positivity when it comes to him. Interest, like which no, this guy is good. So for me now, I think Kaizer Chiefs, ingamthatha uBenny and Benny wish ukuthi ngabe bengithathe ngalesi yasikhathi lesiya even before aya eKenya nesekenya. Ngabe bengithathe ngaleso sikhathi lesi. But the problem with Kaizer Chiefs noBenny, uBenny arrogance yakhe.
Too much.
Yeah, it's too much, and that's what Kaizer Chiefs needs. It needs someone oyazinto efunayo ozofika stamp the foot down. But okay, no, I'm not going to tolerate this. I'm not going to listen to people abahleli aba-analyze abakwazi reverse apart abakhuluma into engekho azenzele like into afuna ukuyenza. So of which Kaizer Chiefs is failing to do that currently. But for me, uBenny is the best.
I'm sorry, but correct me if I'm wrong. I think Nabi was one of those coaches abanjalo, ne? But agaphelelanga ndawo. Hence even abo translator bakhe kusalebona and then kwahamba yena, because I felt like naye uhanjiswe ukuthi akakwazi ukuthatha ama decision as a coach.
Hence I'm saying ukuthi
So
Kaizer Chiefs,
yeah,
idinga coach onjalo, but the problem is the structure it's not going to allow that. I wonder if they can do lento le eyenziwa abo Sundowns ukuthi this is us, this is our philosophy, this is what we expect here. So can you deliver on this? Then yes, if you can deliver on it, then bakunikeza platform uzenzele like lento lofuna ukuyenza. Then kungaba ngcono. But currently I feel ukuthi kunabantu abaningi aba-interfere even when it comes to player selection. Yabona a lot of things nje ezenzakalayo. So yizo izinto ezimoshayo. But for me, Benny would have been the right person.
Do you think it's a good thing for a coach like Benny to be part of such brand, Kaizer Chiefs? Because at the end of the day, there's a lot about there's a lot of input bakhona wonke umuntu unesay. So do you think it's good for such coach like amakhulu like Benny to come la ezomosha igama lawo because kuyayehla phela?
It's not good. It's good. For me, in arrogance, I think it's what Kaizer Chiefs needs because of akupeni aksilo muntu lothula akakho lothula unlike ukuthi lothula lo coach there okuzomela manje loka brush abona aka loka aka no we are really straight ukuthi no this is God uyabo. So if ufika umuntu onjalo even if no abantu dlala 3 games 4 games then mabaqeda bayam release uzokwazi ukuthi akhulume ukuthi no I couldn't stand for this. So for me now, I think ukuthi ingasebenzi but for a side lami ngibona ingasebenza la ingasebenzi.
Oh, what's your take on Benny McCart being
the But for me, Benny is a very, very strong personality.
Yeah.
Bringing in Benny, you bring in not just a coach. You bringing someone who he has done it all. And as a player, even as a coach, you don't become part of a technical team Man United for nothing. There must have been something about Bonito more because you never even played for that team. Yes, we were going to understand what is part of the technical team in Manchester United because he's their former player. But he never played for that team. But they were able to go to identify what he can assist them. So you'll be bringing someone on a pedigree as a coach, not only as a former player. So he'll be good for Kaizer Chiefs. But I doubt that's what Kaizer Chiefs management want from a coach.
Yeah.
I have a feeling if Kaizer Chiefs wanted a coach with a proven track record, Peter wouldn't be unemployed even today because he's been unemployed for over a year, I think now. So I don't think Kaizer Chiefs management want a coach who opinionated who if I come I want 1, 2, and 3. So that I can be able to give you what you want as a management. Yeah. So, because he's a very strong personality. He doesn't ask suffer as a player. They'll tell you he doesn't take nonsense from anyone. Yeah. So I doubt Kaizer Junior they'll be able to handle it.
This one is a tricky one because we have Ubongani la, but do you think fans are ready for the long-term project? Like bringing in Benny to rebuild. Obviously, Angegaza builder, Kaizer Chiefs with 1 season. It might take him like the whole season. Then the next one, they kind of like Azoba, So do you think fans like bangakhona ukuyimela that long-term project bungani kuhlulile so even if
yeah depend on the approach a long-term plan
okay
because kune long-term oyibonayo ukuthi ayimarale akusiyo yabo kune long-term oyibonayo ukuthi okay then there kuna changes and ayasebenza even though ama results angakezi kahle hle but it's something ongaba patient ngayo ukuthi ulinde yabo. And kulento yakabheni bengifuna interfere. I think there's no coach who can fix Kaizer Chiefs at the moment unless he releases 14 players and signs new 18 players. Because the problem is not only the coach. Even now, guys, have you seen how Kaizer Chiefs is playing? Hey, yes, maybe Uti Tinabani is getting no, guys. Funeka amanye ama-players.
Sesikoleni bros. I don't think ukuthi iqiniso lento leyo ongame ikhulumayo. We have seen Kaizer Chiefs play. We have seen there are certain like manhlithanyana bonisayo ukuthi okay they are players who Kaizer Chiefs. It's just lap na. Looking at abo Mduduzi Shabalala, how they like now break through bese bayamekisana with Benny McCarthy track record being there nabo Ronaldo as a striker coach. So I feel ukuthi uyi motivation nje yena ngokwakhe. So I cannot say akuna coach ongalungisa like Kaizer Chiefs. There are coaches abangalungisa Kaizer Chiefs. Is the
with the current squad?
Yeah, with the current squad. Is the Kaizer Chiefs management ready for a coach to fix the team? Because of the team needs someone with like Ben's Khalid, but is the management ready? Then that one I don't think ukuthi abo Bobin down they are ready, abo Kaizer Chiefs they are ready. Mhlawumbe Jessica already because una different opinion when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs. So for me now, the players are there. There's no need to go to the release. What I could say, Chiefs currently in terms of the long term, I'm saying if the ship is sinking already now, it's best to keep the current captain. Because obviously, I second then get someone new to come and then I implement it before next season. So that next season, okay, we'll push anything about it, and then say, okay, next season, then okay, can you please get me these players? So if me like okay, like a scene, then you okay about Laba, Kaizer Chiefs, and then when the normal year ufuna ukuyenza whether uphelela out of top 80 or uphelela kuphi but okwamanje sesilungiselele ukuthi next season sihle siqale kahle.
Okay.
Kungani?
Ngiyamuzwa uDumisane ngiyavumelana naye kule part yokuthi if bangamqasha manje ba prepare next season of which I think ngaba into right yabo but the only part la ngingavumelana noDumisane khona kule yama players uDumisane dala ngisebenza naye and I know ukuthi unale belief engakanani kuma players and even if noma aba perform kahle uDumisane hlala ba defend. So for me I'm not saying bad is a player. When I'm a player, I good Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
If being about coach, being our sheep. But imagine that you're going to keep. Hence, I'm saying not is a 14 inside the 18. Because the current squad, access squad on computer also, and they must reveal the season, even the last season. So when it comes to players' shame, I'm full of Kuma. Currently, as we speak, Abana could keep. Are you aware of that? A big team.
Ngathi sibuyela the way ayiqala le podcast uzomyekela qhubeke uzomosha kunabantu abaserious abasibukele and so abalaleli umuntu bazitshela ukuthi hayi yazi into ekhuluma i-right then mawuqeda bese bayithatha bayi-implement. There's no such a thing against Stellenbosch because it just created a lot of chances. Even though they lost 2-1, they created a lot of chances. So we can't say Uchi Agnama player who can. Yes, like Uchi, there was only one player against them. Actually, it was 2. Ulilebo, no ops. I'm a player too, against one. And I'm the one who said, okay, yes, Stellenbosch. If all ops were not fought, it was going to be better because of the machine. If personally said in the side, I'm going to make him play. Uzodala reflector. Then Uzodala reflector, Ufuna, it destroy a lot of things of Kapaman, Lukatan, Lapana, or Running or Marshall Women. Umu is the hand key. So the same thing works Lapana and the Putla Savamabas. What if you have good players? Can you have good players, guys? Utamutai, they are good, those people. By home, which Babam people controlled by the only problem is not there was a game there I think it was Tawutele and Ungosin Ngoba kwa free kick in the first half. Mabakela substitute in the second half. Agabuya in the second half. From there the next game again on the same machine. So the problem is the problem banda bangers together.
Okay, ngicela ukubuza ama questions quick ngama players. Brozo, is he a good goalkeeper?
No.
Paseka Mako, is he a good player?
I will say he is a good player.
So 50 out of 100.
Yeah, I'm actually about 45.
Okay. Actually, to please.
Yeah, he is a good player. uDuplessis is a good player depending on ukuthi umphera nobani. Remember ukuthi it's not mhlambe ungizojathi uDuplessis ngokuscore, but then we're looking at if angazi yakhumbula we had David Khatebe. Kaizer Chiefs, Umvulo was not scoring that guy. We had Kingston Guts, he was not scoring. But no one began against that person because of
it's incorrect with Dumsani. Never believe in the community Dumsani. And some correct and some the proof. Kingston Guts, the time of the Kaizer Chiefs, begin our offense and full. Hence, he scored the offside. What did you want offense?
Okay.
It shows who do away. So let us shoot Kingston got there or good but Bangladesh against him. I against him.
Kaizer Chiefs was winning. The problem with our friends Gucci, Kaizer Chiefs gonna imagine I don't know they say he win the league. I was over happy. That's now like the difference. And then we were going to analyze the ball. Which okay, as much as Kaizer Chiefs winning, but I say always Gucci. Formula. He is a good player, but in the Kaizer Chiefs, I wrong my friend.
Yes, I'm for the first time in the church. Ne? Wanted to ikhulumile so and easy change. Off the camera, I said I was not happy in Kaizer Chiefs. My winner my first game away league. They were winner, but I'm a winner convincing. So now we get to show same thing. But some friends the Chiefs. As long as we're winning. So it's something of which some of our fans just winning. So it's wrong for Amanyama fans. Sifuni team winayo and a team a promising my second round. This thing you see Kaizer Chiefs players they are good, but Kaizer Chiefs in but anyway. And I'm not going to but they are defend and looking at 5 and missing 3 clear opportunities. Is not creating a lot of chances.
When the difference between Mesa shy off target and goalkeeper on palm, I'm talking for you to push now against we have seen that they in a shot on target. People were complaining and then John to do Shabala. There was already a single shot on target. It can't achieve to do Shabala now. Okay, then Gasha team la Panacosnala, because it's style of play, it's about short passes, even though with quick football, but it's like short passes because the high time of player, I love Gucci, Sizotana, the root one, nana. The only time Sizo is another place, we talk to South to kitchen. And as soon as I get him, open to the defense because of 50 the time, I want to make at the end of the day, we kitchen is a new cover, and then we are going to also was with so we have players who can achieve our second season right because of our second season like ukuthi kuma push lokumela njalo ku khona manje if uJabeka makuzothathwa Mabu ayenze number 6 lapha holding midfield akusithi position yakhe leyamuntu kuyana le nakumela so dlalisa umuntu kwi position yakhe and then ayenze into ayaziyo so that means nasejimini lezi zinto lezi abazenzayo bayenza cover nje bayolimazana because of ayikho into abo coach abayenzayo lapha kwi Kaizer Chiefs but the players are there. The players are there.
So now it's a release umuntu ku Kaizer
Chiefs. You know ukuthi ngarelease abantu. You know ukuthi ngarelease abantu. Ulepe mina will release because of Ulepe has proven ukuthi angeke improve kulento la yini. As good as he is, akayiboni potential yakhe. Ulepe can score a lot of goals for Kaizer Chiefs. Ulepe can take Kaizer Chiefs out of a lot of like amaking Chiefs abadlalile. If Ulepe bekasebenzisa ingqondo, kumele ngabe uyikhiphe enjeni like serious.
So when ngeke khona kumsiza ukuthi asebenzise ingqondo esucoach uzobrelease.
I will release because of ngiyacabanga ukuthi that's not essential. It doesn't essential.
I think you guys are proving something. You're proving that Kaizer Chiefs is a big brand. Ne?
It is.
Yeah, that's why inshallah kakhulu topic. Moving on. Moving on to our last topic. We have Relebohile Mofokeng versus Themba Zwane comparisons. Aibo. So, fans are comparing the youngster Relebogile Mofokeng with the experienced playmaker Themba Zwane. And Guning Okshiwo. I just want to get also your view from the whole thing that abantu abakhuluma ngayo. So, do you think it's too early to compare Mofokeng with Zwane? I don't know.
In terms of what?
Yeah, true.
You know, the thing Mozwane, Uguti is such a generational talent. It's not the first time he ever compared. Bam compare no Tito, bam compare no Saleng, bam compare like everyone that's coming up. He's being compared to Uzwane. That shows you the caliber of a player he is. But I don't necessarily think it's necessary Mofokeng bam compare no Zwane. I see Uwadu he's trying to udlalisa Mofokeng as a 10 now more than Ugutamdlalisa as a winner. He's more central as a player maker. I don't know it's a long-term plan or bafuna that position. But in terms of Zwane has proven himself. It's not everyone who plays at the peak of his game for so many years, season after season. The boy went to Mpumalanga Black Aces on loan, came back to Sundowns and never looked back.
So one of the things that I saw, just to go bigger on the picture, I saw someone saying at the age of 21, not 21, Relay is 21. Yeah. At the age of 21, Relay Unamatov, I think I 8. They counted that. Then Batsi Zwane at the age of 21, Begazalela take the Black Aces and Begana 0, you know. So that's one of the things as while they were comparing them. At the age of 21, you were playing for Black Aces, knowing Mutisi Reita Group when it comes to the PSL teams. Then
because it's unfair to use those stats, at least if the batch are more personal, like accumulated, like trophies, then I will understand. It's unfair.
Yeah.
For me, Urele is good, but guys, I know Mushish of it. I will usually those people who've been there, who've made it. I don't compare.
And it's unfair also to use age in making comparison. And if check Umshish where he comes from, Uzwane was signed directly from amateur football. He never had development. Bamlandela Pana Valos for a huge amount of money because of the potential that he showed. Urele has been through football stages or development. He comes from the School of Excellence. He comes from Mamelodi Sundowns development. He comes from Orlando Pirates development. So he's at the advantage of what he's always been in the system. So for umuntu okhulele in the system development, no muntu olandwe ebukwini what when hozala and then you arrive go first season yakho ye Sundowns and then they loan you out to in Mpumalanga Black Aces and then you get the legendary coach Clive Barker comparing him he's the best player I've coached since Dr. Kumar. That thing there doesn't come from the tree. It shows the potential of the ball.
Yeah,
without wasting your time. So for me it's not fair. It's not fair, especially in the age now ukuthi uThemba Zwane sakamdala already usazodlala. Yabo mhlambe masingalindi urele akhambe isizini yakhe naye lesiqala siba compare ukuthi badlale kanjani hayi for manje.
Okay, so let's say as we compare, I hate the word comparing as well because now it's like they're competing against each other. But do you think Uguti maybe their style of play it's the same?
No,
it's not.
Completely different.
It's not.
So, like in Ngamayama Zwane is coming up like on top still. Is it because of they playing different positions? Because I think this comparison Ivela because of really being one of the best players esibanabo. You know, yes, we had Uthemba Zwane. Like, he's the best player, quality one. I don't take anything away from him. But I'm saying, really, he's an upcoming player. Like, the future is bright here. So maybe that's why they like, if Themba Zwane was not playing, you know, funny.
But let it be like that.
Yeah.
A player, not a player like currently is alive over man. Because I think also if I like listen unnecessary pressure. If we comparing because to Kulumang age the time Uthemba Zwane at 21, people are very different. Bringing Alpha like Naman. Mind you, so who is involved, like so it's different ages, different style of play. Into like I cannot compare Umfuken to Uzwan. I'm a personal fan.
Okay.
And they've played, I will say they've played in different eras because of Umunye Tala, Umunye Ikani, as of Velera. So let's allow the boy to be Umfuke, as a Zerika Malake, then the Segamanga versus Sega Lab, the Sekansis on high panel was cutlass.
Yeah. Lut.
I don't.
Okay, so I think this is the end of it. I don't have anything more to say because of time. Bengathanda ukuthi sikhulume ukuthi khambe kanjani against Derby, but yeah. So
Let's not go there.
No, but I need to masamba. Last time we had our own predictions, so we had to touch on that. Yeah, yeah, we had to touch on that. But okay.
It's kind of sick of it.
No,
I just wanted to say, Kaizer Chiefs did what they're good at. Like, score. Mangiting Peggy up, so Pella she's
through before everyone was just saying that.
Yeah. Oh, there was no way.
And those predictions were right. 3.
I felt like Ugutinji. Obviously, if you were like one. Yeah,
European parents equally liberty offside. It was not offside.
Nami mangibukela game ne ngiyabona ukuthi hayi Pirates iyekile Chiefs. Iyekile kumele bakore kuma 5-6. Yabo. But I line up nje ngidisappointed from ngibona goalkeeper. Ngathi leyo na ngeke isebenze. I know ukuthi I'm not saying uPeterson bekazovimba wonke amabhola wePirates. But I know ukuthi loya alikho leliwana akazolivimba. Martinez so goalkeeper le ando leya. So goalkeeper nje.
Ngimkhumbuza wena ingadi zakhe.
No comments.
Thank you so much. Sigona nini futhi?
I'm not sure for now. So check his schedule then. I'll definitely update you.
Okay, you look good in that t-shirt. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe. We are Timeline Radio Sports, and thank you so much to Zeus for hosting us. And yeah, see you next week.
Adios.
Just a trip away.